Kegel exercise session for men. Check out my mini course on how to last longer and cure premature ejaculation by visiting www.drer.tv and clicking on the appropriate link. Alright, so if you go on the internet and look up Kegel exercises, you're going to find a lot of nonsense. A lot of things that look like just thrusting kind of workouts, and you'll find this kind of stuff, and doing gluteus stuff. And hey, that's all great. It's good exercise. It'll probably get you in good shape. It'll make you look good. But they're not Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises for the floor of the pelvis, the muscles in the pelvis itself. So doing weights and thrusts and this and that is not going to help. What you got to do is first create the awareness of what muscles you're working out. You do that by number one, next time you go to the bathroom to urinate, you start urinating and then you stop the pee, okay? And then you let go. You do that a couple of times. Now, if you have a history of trouble urinating, or you wake up a whole bunch of times at night to urinate, you might have some prostate issues. And if you do that exercise, you might actually create urinary retention. So don't do it if you have those problems. Number two, try to imagine, or next time you need to pass gas, feel that pressure the muscle contraction need to do to hold that gas in. And that's the exercise you're going to do. And the last thing you're going to do is you're going to visualize like you're pushing your penis, pushing your testicles inwards. So you're standing and you're going to contract like you're pushing them in. You hold that for 3 seconds. You're breathing through it. Don't hold your breath. Don't clench your muscles. Just pull up. And like you can see, I'm doing it standing. I can do it sitting, during a meeting. Just 1, 2, 3, let go. And if you do that, you're strengthening those muscles, which in turn makes that whole pelvic area healthier, and it allows more control of the ejaculation time. Because when you feel like you need to go, those muscles contract and get tense, and you don't ejaculate too soon. So doing this exercise 3 times a day, 3 repetitions, 3 to 10 repetitions. You hold for 3 seconds, You do the contraction for 3 seconds, let go, do it 10 times, you stop, do it 3 times a day, do it every day if you can. Practice makes perfect, those muscles will get stronger, your control will get better. I hope you enjoy that and you learn from that demonstration. Now let's talk about Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises may be beneficial to men in the same way that they are beneficial to women. It is necessary to be consistent in your efforts, however. They work by increasing the size and the strength of the pubococcygeus muscle. This may assist you in maintaining sexual activity for a longer period of time and delaying ejaculation. Kegel exercises should be practiced often and consistently. To carry out pelvic floor exercises, do the following. Determine which muscles to use by stopping in the middle of a peeing or urinating session, or by tightening the muscles that prevent you from passing gas. These maneuvers use your pelvic floor muscles. Once you figure out and understand what it feels like, or which ones of your pelvic muscles feel like, then you can do the exercises in any position, laying down, sitting down, even walking. For 3 seconds while you lay down, contract and then relax your pelvic floor muscles 3 times. Repeat this for a total of 10 times and at least 3 times a day. And repeat daily. As your muscles become stronger, gradually increase the number of seconds you hold each position and each contraction. Experiment in different positions such as standing, walking, or even sitting. Maintain your focus. Remember to take deep breaths. Do not hold your breath. Instead, allow yourself to breathe freely and concentrate solely on your pelvic floor muscles during this exercise. Don't clench your abs, thighs, or your buttocks at the same time you're doing your exercise. Try to isolate these muscles and only work these muscles during the exercise.